Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping cost on Wix. If you're managing an online store and need to apply custom shipping rates to customer orders, this straightforward process will help you get it done efficiently. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, turn your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll find various options for managing your site. Click on Sales. This section is where you'll handle all your order management, payments, and customer transactions. Under the Sales section, you'll see several options related to managing your store. Look for the button that says Add New Order and click on it. This action opens up a fresh order page where you can manually create an order for a customer, which is particularly useful when processing orders offline or over the phone. From the New Order page, you'll need to set the items your customer wants to purchase. Start by clicking the Add Item button. A menu will appear giving you options to choose from different categories, whether it's a physical product or booking a service. For this tutorial, we'll focus on adding a physical product since that's where shipping costs typically apply. Once you select the product category, a product list will appear on your screen. Browse through your inventory and look for the item your customer wants to purchase. Click the radio button next to each item they wish to buy, allowing you to select multiple products if needed. After making your selections, click on Add to Order. This adds the chosen items to the current order you're creating. Now that the item is set, you'll need to choose the customer who will be purchasing this item. From the drop-down menu, select their contact information. If this is a new customer, you might need to add their details first, but typically your existing customer list will appear here for easy selection. Now comes the important part, adding the shipping cost. Click on Add a Delivery Method. A small window will appear presenting you with options for how you want to handle delivery for this order. From here, click on Create a Custom Rate. This feature is incredibly useful as it lets you enter a specific shipping amount that matches your actual delivery costs or any handling fees you need to apply. Start by adding a name for this shipping method. This is typically something descriptive like standard shipping, express delivery, or even just shipping cost for delivery. You could also label it as a handling fee if that better describes what you're charging. Then move to the rate field and enter your shipping cost as a numerical value. Once you've entered the amount, click on Add. This finalizes the shipping cost and applies it directly to the item purchase. And there you have it, you've successfully added a custom shipping cost to an order in Wix. This method gives you complete control over how you charge for delivery, ensuring your shipping fees accurately reflect your costs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.